Morning to everyone. In our previous lecture, we have done problem set second, main question number 1, 2, 3 and 4th. Today we will going to solve main question number 5th, 6th, 7th. So, in your screen, main question number 5th figure is there. In this figure, three parallel lines is there, AB, CD and EF, and PQ is a transversal. So with the help of this figure we will solve our question. First I'll read the question. Line AB parallel to line CD, parallel to line EF and line PQ is there transversal if y ratio z equals to 3 raised to 7, then find the value of x. We have a given y ratio z equals to 3 ratio 7. So student, y equals to 3 और z equals to 7 इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता है. इसका मतलब ये है y रेशो z हमको सॉल्व करने पर उसका रेशो 3/7 मिला है. बहुत से लोग अज्यूम करते हैं कि y 3 और z 7, ये गलत है. हमको अज्यूम करना पड़ेगा एक कॉमन मल्टीपल. इस फिगर में x दिया हुआ है ऑलरेडी, सो वी विल टेक लेट द कॉमन मल्टीपल बी m और any other alphabet. So it becomes 7, y equals to 3m and z equals to 7m. Without assuming the common multiple, we can't able to solve this question. So student, y ratio z equals to 3 ratio 7, we will suppose y equals to 3m or z equals to 7m because we want common multiple in this question. So here we will start our solution. Y ratio z equals to 3 ratio 7 which is given in the question. So we have assumed let the common multiple be m. हमको सेपरेट करने के लिए वैल्यूज़ को एक कॉमन मल्टीपल सपोज करना पड़ता है. सो हियर वी विल सपोज लेट द कॉमन मल्टीपल बी m. सो y इज 3m and z become 7m. So we have our two values y and z. Y equals 3m and z equals 7m. In question given is that line AB parallel to CD parallel to EF. So here we will take first two line AB and line EF. मिडल का लाइन हम थोड़ा देर के लिए स्किप करेंगे. फर्स्ट वी विल टेक EAB and EF is parallel and PQ is their transversal. So here two angles is there, X and Z. X and Z forming Z shape, and Z shape angles are alternate angles, and alternate angles are equal to each other. So here we will take line AB parallel to line EF and line PQ is their transversal. So we will get two angles X and Z, and this pair of angle is alternate to each other because they are forming Z shape. So angle X equals to angle Z by alternate angle test. So student, here we will get x equals to y. That means जो z का वैल्यू है वही x का वैल्यू होगा. So in our question we have z equals to 7m. So here we will get x equals to 7m. हमने x का वैल्यू फाइंड किया जो कि 7m है, बट वी वॉन्ट x वैल्यू इन अ प्रॉपर नेचुरल नंबर. सो वी विल सॉल्व फर्दर. टेक एज अ 1. हमको x का वैल्यू 7m नहीं चाहिए, m में नहीं चाहिए, एक नंबर में चाहिए, तो हम आगे सॉल्व करेंगे. सो हियर वी विल टेक लाइन AB पैरेलल टू लाइन CD एंड लाइन PQ इज देयर ट्रांसवर्सल. सो X and Y is forming C shape, or C shape angles are interior angle, and interior angle is always supplementary. This is the property. C shape angle we can form like this and this angle and this angle. X and Y is forming C shape, and C shape is alternate array. Interior angle, some of the interior angle are supplementary. So X plus Y equals to 180 degree. Supplementary is 180 degree by interior angle test. So here we have x value and y value. So in the place of x and y we will put their value. X equals to 7m plus as it is, y equals to 3m equals to 180 as it is. 7m plus 3m, we will get 10m. 10m equals to 180. Now number goes to number side. Here it is in multiplication, goes to another side of equal, become division. 180 upon 10, 0 cancel to 0. So we will get m equals to 18. So here student, we will get the value of m equals to 18. We want to find the value of x. So put the value of m in equation 1. X equals to 7m. So we will get easily the value of x. So in the place of m, we will put the m's value. X equals to 7m. Equal right as it is, 7 as it is. In the place of m, we will write 18. 18 sevens are equals to 126 degree. So here x we will get 126 degree from 1. 1 इक्वेशन में हमने पुट किया है, इसलिए हम लिखेंगे फ्रॉम 1. So here our fifth question has completed. Write the question in your notebook, draw the diagram, write the question and write the solution step by step. Hope you people can understood well. So student, come to the main question number 6. In your screen, the figure of main question number 6 is there. I will read the question. In the given figure, if line Q parallel to line R, line P is there transversal. If A equals to 80 degree, then find the value of G and F. So here student, we have A equals to 80 degree and we want to find the value of F and G. So student, if you people are seen, so A and G are forming exterior alternate angle, and exterior alternate angle is always equal. Here we have a two parallel line and one transversal. This angle is congruent to this angle by exterior alternate angle, and this is congruent to this. We have the value of A is 80 degree only 80 degree. So by the exterior alternate angle forming Z shape or exterior angle is there, so A equals to G. जो वैल्यू A का होगा वही वैल्यू G का होगा. So here we have A equals to 80 degree. So by the exterior alternate angle test we can write G is also 80 degree, and G and F is forming linear pair to each other. Linear pair means sum of the angle equals to 180 degree. So here we will start our solution. Line Q is parallel to line R and line P is there transversal. Line P is there transversal. Here angle A equals to G, angle A equals to G by exterior alternate angle, So in question we have given the value of A 80 degree, so we can easily write G is also 80 degree. So G equals to 80 degree. So here we can have find one angle G 80 degree by using alternate exterior angle. Now we want to find the value of F. So student, F and G is forming linear pair to each other. Sum of and the property of linear pair is sum of the angle is supplementary. So we will add up these two angle G plus angle F equals to 180 degree by linear pair. We have a value of G, so we will put the value of G in this equation. G is 80 degree plus as it is, F doesn't know, write as it is, 180 as it is. Now 80 goes to another side of equal, it become minus. So angle F equals to 180 minus 80. So we can get angle X equals to 100 degree by using linear pair. So student, here our sixth question has completed. Hope you people can understood well. Write the question, draw the diagram and write the solution step by step in your fair notebook. So student, come to the main question number 7th. I will read the question. In the given figure, if line AB parallel to line CF and line BC parallel to line ED, then prove that angle ABC equals to angle FDE. So student, observe the figure carefully. We want to prove ABC, this angle is equals to angle FDE, this angle. So in between ABC and FDE no relation is there. दोनों एंगल में कोई भी रिलेशन नहीं है. So we will use the other supporting angles and prove that ABC is equals to FDE. So student, if you people see carefully, so ABC and BCD is forming Z-shaped angle, alternate angle like this. Suppose these two lines are parallel and this one is a transversal. So angle ABC is equals to angle BCD, forming Z shape like this, and Z shape angles are alternate angles and alternate angles is equals to each other. Similarly, BCD and FDE is forming F shape. F shape means corresponding angles, and corresponding angles is also equal to each other. So BCD is common angle to both angle ABC and FDE. BCD common है दोनों एंगल में. So अगर BCD is equals to ABC and FDE, अगर BCD दोनों एंगल से इक्वल है तो दोनों एंगल ABC FDE के इक्वल होगा, जो कि हमको प्रूव करना है. So come to the solution. Given is there line AB parallel to line PCF and line BC parallel to line ED. To prove angle ABC is equals to angle FDE, this angle we want to prove कि ये दोनों एक दूसरे के इक्वल है. So come to our proof. We will take this angle first, alternate angle AB parallel to CF, line AB parallel to line CF and BC is there transversal. We have to take AB parallel to CF and BC is the transversal. So angle ABC is there transversal. So student, ABC and BCD is equals to each other, forming Z-shaped angle, alternate angle. So give the reason ABC is equals to angle BCD as alternate angle. Hope you people can understood till over here. Alternate angles. हमने एक एंगल को प्रूव किया. नाउ कम टू द आवर सेकेंड एंगल, गिव एज अ 1. नाउ सेकेंड वन, line BC parallel to line ED, we will take line BC parallel to line ED and PF is their transversal. We will take BC parallel to ED and PF is the transversal. So student, BCD and EDF is forming F shape. So F shape angle are corresponding angle and corresponding angle is equals to each other. So we will write angle BCD is equals to angle EDF, take as a 2 and reason corresponding angles. So here student, in 1 and 2, if you people are compare 1 and 2, so BCD is common angle and BCD is equals to ABC also and EDF also. सो फ्रॉम 1 and 2 अगर बी सी डी ए बी सी के इक्वल है और बी सी डी ई डी एफ के भी इक्वल है, सो बोथ द एंगल ए बी सी एंड ई डी एफ इज इक्वल्स टू ईच अदर, जो कि हमको प्रूव करना था. सो वी विल टेक फ्रॉम 1 and 2 from 1 and 2, if BCD is the common angle in both the equation, so we can write easily from 1 and 2 ABC is equals to EDF. ABC is equals to EDF, जो कि हमको प्रूव करना था from 1 and 2. Here our main question number 7th is also completed. So that is angle ABC is equals to angle FDE. Our solution is complete over here. Hope you people can understood well. Write the question, draw the diagram, write the solution step by step. Today we have done 3 question, main question number 5th, 6th and 7th. Only one question is left, that is main question number 8. Main question number 8 is biggest question. So this question, main question number 8, we will solve in our next lecture. If you people have any difficulty, any doubt, you people have my number, just message me and clear out your difficulty. Hope you people can understood well. Thank you.